Hey y'all, I'm out of the yard. I gotta get me some food going in here now. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick and easy stir fry. It's gonna be rice, ground turkey, and of course veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ground turkey going first. I'm gonna get it browned up. It's just a 1 pound package. So I probably need I'm using my metal spatula. Whoo, child. I've been outside. When I came inside, I was killing so hard I almost forgot about I need to fix the food. Kareem was still out at the game, so he wasn't here reminding me, Grandma, you cooking? Grandma, you cooking? You know how it is when you get going, when you have a lot of little things that you want to get done that you hadn't gotten done. And I had all my tools. I had my tool bag out, honey. I went to work, tightening it up here and fixing this and that and the other. I even put up 2 sets of blinds. So anyway, got it all done. I love to do blinds because I'm going to sprinkle about a half a teaspoon of that little jerk seasoning into that meat. And we're going to go ahead and do while it's cooking because, you know, turkey meat cooks pretty quick. Tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to be putting some more in there. And you know what else I'm going to do is while it's sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and get my onions and peppers going. So this is going to be a 1 skillet meal. Quick and easy. Probably take me 20 minutes. I already had some rice cooked in the refrigerator. Left over about 3 cups of cooked rice. I'm going to go ahead and do my peppers and onions. Chop medium-sized onion and half of a medium green pepper in there. I am tired and hungry. You know how you get real hungry? I thought, let me think of something real quick that I can fix and I can talk to y'all and share as well. So, hope y'all having a great Friday night. For a lot of folk, Friday night's date night. I know my husband and I used to have date night all through the week, really. Every once in a while, because he liked Burger King, and he would say, okay, let's go on a cheap date. Let's go get us he loved those Burger King Whoppers. And I would go to Burger King with him, and honey, we did this. Well, he did a Whopper. I like the little hamburgers. That they do have a good taste to them. We would eat that, and I love a good old vanilla ice cream cone with a hamburger or a hot dog. A lot of people say, yeah, I do. Have you ever had that? Shout out to me and let me know if you like ice cream and hamburgers and hot dogs. I love them. Okay, I'm going to let that meat's going to have to cook there about 15 minutes to get those. Now, I had oil in the pan also because, you know, turkey meat is sort of dry. It doesn't have any oil, but it does have water. So I'm going to have to let that water cook out of it so we'll have fried rice and not boiled rice. Okay? And just to make sure it chunks up and, you know, get it chopped up really good. You get my black pepper going here. So talk to me. What have y'all been doing all day long? I've been working. I'm serious. I've been piddling seriously all day long. Okay. Let me grab a bouillon cube from over here. I'm going to put I think I'm going to start out with just 1 chicken bouillon cube in there. Everything I put in here is for flavor. Y'all know how that works. Even when I'm cooking in here, this is the origination of the flavor train. So, stuff popping out there like that. This is the flavor train origination station, so everything has to be flavorful. Well, that was why I raised my children. I told them, you know, when you eating food, you need it all flavored up. And my thing has always been, pretty much, when seasoning, if it works, everything in the cabinet goes. Well, I don't throw it all over the floor. Everything in the cabinet goes. If that flavor works, we put it right on in there. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah, that's about a good teaspoon. Talk to me. Tell me, what are y'all cooking up? I know y'all cooking something up because I can smell it. Ooh, this smells good. You know what? Black pepper gives food a really good, hearty, substantial flavor. Okay, that juice is sort of cooking out of that meat. So these will be nice. They won't be browned as such, but they'll be nice and sauteed. And those flavors just can blend. And when I put the rice and other ingredients in there, it's going to be yummy. I'm also going to put eggs in this rice. Somebody had asked me before if I ever put eggs. Yes, I do at times. So tonight I'm going to do some eggs in it. Yep. Taste that piece. Mm-hmm. You know, turkey meat has a flavor of its own. I can put another one of my chicken bouillon cubes in there. But no, I'm going to hold that because you know what I got to do? I got to put my soy sauce. I got to put more soy sauce in there. Get it stirred up real good. I have got to, now after today, I'm done with Christmas decorating rather. I have got to start doing some shopping. I don't know if I shared with y'all. I got Man a couple things. I got them 2 little itsy bitsy ones, the 1-year-old, and I buy a lot of clothes for children. I don't do a lot of toy buying. Even when my children were young, my husband was the one that bought the toys. For some reason, I just didn't get into the toy thing, but he would buy them every toy known to man. And I'm the one that buys the clothing. So for my grandchildren, they know for me, for the most part, they're going to get clothes. Okay, I'm going to go in now with a couple of teaspoons of garlic powder. Get that meat seasoned up really, really good. I'm going to go in with some butter toward the end too, because you know, turkey meat is sort of dry, but it's very tasty. So I guess what you have to do is sort of get it oiled up a little bit. It's either some oil or butter, either one works. Okay. I'm going to start putting it to the side a little bit. That's what I'm getting ready to throw these eggs in there. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a little oil to get these eggs, to do the eggs, because all the oil is gone out here. So I'm going to put about a couple of tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable oil in there. And I am going to, this is 3 eggs. I make sure they beat up really good. I beat them up, took the little bitties out. So, it's my eggs. And it's okay to put everything in the same pan. I'm using one pan to do this meal. And just cook those eggs until they fluff up and then mix them all in with the meat. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Eggs are just like, you know, it doesn't take but a split second for eggs to cook. Okay. Let them fluff real good. They're just about there, y'all. So let them sit there and cook a minute. I want to get my rice vinegar out. I do use rice vinegar in my stir-fried rice. And of course, you know, I want to use my Gold Mountain seasoning in there. Everything in the cabinet, y'all. I have more ingredients than rice. I didn't cook any extra rice, so this will be a real meaty stir-fry. Okay, now, since the eggs are all fluffed up, we're going to get the meat going back over there like so. Yeah. I'm going to back that heat down a little bit. I had it on high because I wanted that juice to sort of cook into that meat. So now I'm going to start adding my rice in. This is like 3 cups of rice. Put it right in there. And this meal will be done here shortly. Okay. Just get it stirred up in there real good. I'm going to hit it with a couple tablespoons of Gold Mountain seasoning. Y'all are familiar with the Gold Mountain seasoning. You haven't forgotten that. It's a very flavorful seasoning that I purchased at the Asian market. And a little bit more soy sauce. That's about gone, y'all. I'm going to have to make a trip to the store for soy sauce. But this is just something quick and easy for me to eat. Like 10 o'clock at night. I should have already eaten, but who knew I was going to be doing all this piddling today. But I'm so glad that I did. Got all my stuff done outside. Because it's supposed to get really, really cold, even calling for snow. I hope not. I'm supposed to go to a baby shower tomorrow, and I was looking forward to that. One of my adopted grandboys, well, actually, he is a grandchild because he is Karan, my grandson's cousin, and he is having a little one. I think the baby's going to be born in January. They're doing the shower tomorrow, so hopefully the weather will hold up so we'll be able to get to the shower. Okay, it's almost there. Y'all know I gotta taste a little bit to see if it's seasoned properly. It's there, y'all. Woo! Hot tamale. That's some good rice. I just need to put about a half a teaspoon of my rice vinegar. I don't know what rice vinegar. I learned this from a Thai friend. Put that rice vinegar in there. And I'm going to get ready to put my butter in there. Now, the butter thing, that's a me thing about that butter. I just like the flavor of butter. Let's see. Of course, I'm not going to do a whole stick of butter. I'm just going to do a half stick. How's that? Half stick. And basically, you know, you can just go ahead and turn the heat off now because the butter will melt. It's hot enough in there. Just sort of put it on the bottom like that and let it melt and get it stirred up really, really good. Scrape the bottom of that pan, get all that goodie off the bottom, y'all. And I believe we got stir-fried rice. Some turkey stir-fried rice. Okay, so that's all done. How long did it take? What? Under 15 minutes. But now, of course, the rice, you know, the rice was left over. It takes 20 minutes for rice. So, 20 minutes or less. This is one of those wonderful, wonderful meals. I got some carrots, glazed carrots that I fixed myself yesterday. I'm going to pop them in the microwave so we need even leftovers. You know me and leftovers. I believe in them. I believe in leftovers like I do love. I believe in love. Know that song, I Believe in Love? I just love it. Whew. Can't wait to sit down and relax and enjoy this meal, y'all. I was thinking, I said, you know what, I could do this and hopefully it'll be left to forget it. Because when Kareem runs through here tonight, even though I know he probably stopped and got something on the way home, he'll devour this rice. Seriously. Let's pull it off the heat there a little bit. So, again, this meal is ready. Just wanted to chime in with you guys to say hey again and let y'all know I did finish up outside. I will do the great reveal either tomorrow evening or Sunday, depending on the time that I get back from the shower tomorrow. So, but nonetheless, love you guys. And as always, keep the prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Go in that kitchen and fix you something. It's not too late. Just 10:05. Won't hurt nothing. Go in there, even if it's a sandwich. If you're hungry, go ahead and fix it, honey. I believe in good food, good fun, and of course the love of my children and family. Let's continue to pray for each other through the weather, just life that's happening to some people still and all. It's happening all over the world that people are going through devastating times. And it's that time of year, like I was saying yesterday. Okay, there it is, y'all. All served up, like I was saying. The food is ready. It's done. I decided I'd just show y'all my plate. I'm getting ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy this. Of course, I added some salsa to eat with that rice, and those glazed carrots are going to go nicely with it. So I've dished up that fried rice. It's going to be waiting on Kareem because he'll be running in here in a minute wanting to eat. So here we go, y'all. We're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the food. And as I started to say a minute ago, just continue to pray for people who are going to be missing loved ones during this holiday season. Keep them in mind. Me as well. I've got loved ones, especially my husband, that I miss during the season. And I try as best I can to just let it be good memories, but nonetheless, there's a lonely spot when he's not around on a daily basis. Doesn't have to be a holiday, but especially on holidays, some of us have a really difficult time missing moms, dads, siblings, and husbands, even friends. So let's just continue to keep each other prayed up that we'll be strengthened in the Lord to make it from one day to the next and be able to enjoy this time of the year. And give homage and give praise to God and thank Him for Jesus, our Savior, our one and only Savior. So we just thank God for Jesus for this season, and let us just keep that in mind as we purchase gifts, as we decorate, as we greet people. I just can't say enough about this. See, I love this time of the year. I love the decoration. I love the gift. I love gifts. I love people. And I just love to enjoy what God has put before us. So without going on and on and on, let me just say, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down upon all of us. Thank y'all for watching, hanging out late night again with me. And until I talk to y'all tomorrow to show you the great reveal, either tomorrow or Sunday on this flavor train, I'm going to say good night to you. Love you guys. Toodaloo.